Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Universe, the Solar System. In this video session, we are going to cover about stars, planets, satellites and the solar system. So let's start with the first topic, that is stars. Stars are the celestial objects that are extremely hot and have its own light. We have discussed in the regular classes also stars having its own light and they are extremely hot object. Stars appear to be very small. It is just because they are very far away from us. The third point is the sun is also a star because the sun having its own light and it is nearest to the sun, nearest to the earth. The sun looks much bigger and brighter because it is much nearer to us than any other object, any other stars. Let us move to the next topic, that is planets. Planets are large celestial object which revolves around the sun and the closed elliptical path are called orbits. What are orbits? Orbits are a closed elliptical path in which through which the planets can revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, the first one is Mercury, second one Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these are the 8 stars. You can learn all the names in the sequence. Okay, the first one is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one Earth, fourth one is Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one that is Saturn, seventh one Uranus and the last 8th one that is Neptune. Planets have no light of its own. A planet is made up of rocks, metal or many gases. All the planets revolves around the sun and also rotate on its axis. Next topic, that is satellite. What is satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that revolves around a planet. Okay, the moon is the satellite of Earth. Moon is also a satellite and this is the satellite of Earth. Mercury and Venus does not have satellite. Okay, this two planet Mercury and Venus, they do not have own satellite. As Earth having moon, Mercury and Venus, they are not having their own satellite. Satellite revolves around the planets due to the gravitational pull of the planets. The satellite have no light of their own. Okay, as the stars having its own light, but satellite have no light of their own and they reflect sunlight. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is the closest celestial object to the Earth and it takes 29.5 days for Moon to rotate the Earth. This is the time interval, means 29.5 days to cover one rotation of Earth. The surface of the Moon is covered with hard and loose dirt, craters and mountains. Since there is no air, water and life is impossible on Moon's surface. Life is impossible on Moon's surface. Why? Because on moon surface there is no air, water. This is the main very important thing to survive anywhere. Okay, what? Gas means air or water. But on moon surface there is no air or water, so just because of this reason life is impossible on moon surface. Next one is solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets and their satellites and millions of smaller celestial objects such as asteroids, comets, meteoroids, etc. The 8 planets of the solar system according to their orders are, okay, first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth Neptune. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all the planets and the other object revolving around. Okay, this is the solar system picture. You can see the nearest planet to the sun is called Mercury. The second one is Venus. The third one is Earth. Fourth Mars. Fifth Jupiter. Sixth Saturn. And seventh Uranus. And the last one, that is Neptune. Students, you have understood about the stars, planets, satellites and the solar system and the 8 planets sequence. In the next video session we will cover the next topics. Okay, till then take care. Bye bye.